3 years ago, I had many OFM agencies quite literally just laugh in my face at the fact that I said that AI models were going to take over OnlyFans models. And now you'd be stupid to believe anything different at all. I mean, we've already seen how many AI models have gathered on these social media platforms since the start of 2026, let alone in the last 3 years. I genuinely recall being ridiculed in multiple OFM group chats across Telegram, which now is obviously very funny. And even at the time, it was quite funny because I didn't really understand how they couldn't see what was going to happen in the future. But essentially, their inherent scalability issues and their massive overheads will drive them to absolute failure in the future. Now, I predict that within a year's time, most OFM agencies will collapse. Even these big ones, even the ones making 100+ K per month, which in the OFM game isn't actually a lot, but I know that the majority of OFM agencies are making under that anyway. And with the absolute unparalleled efficiency that AI models can offer you over OnlyFans models, they will have no choice but to make the switch or die. They can die on the hill of arrogance, or they can join us in the AI model world. Let me just put it very plainly for people who don't really understand the OnlyFans management business model. So essentially what will happen is a OnlyFans management agency is someone who manages OnlyFans girls, funnily enough, obviously. However, what they will do is handle their social media most of the time. Sometimes they give the model to still manage it themselves. They manage the OnlyFans, they manage the posting, the schedules, the strategies, and the chatting. And that's how they make their money. And then they take probably a 50% commission based off that. And all the model has to do is create content. Now, if you've ever worked in this industry or ever met someone who is a creator in that industry, you will very quickly find that most likely they're extremely lazy. Not every single one of them, but most of them. And this creates a lot of issues. Not only are they very lazy, which, when their only job is to create content, they still somehow, for some reason, don't do it. Massive problem for OFM agencies. Not only that, but they're unstable, emotionally and in their position in life. Most of the time, once again, I am using just broad terms here. And there's absolutely nothing that OFM agencies can do to stop these models from leaving. And there's in fact nothing that they can do to make these models pay if they don't want to, which, as you can imagine, creates massive problems. If you have a model making 100K a month and you have to pay your chatters, and that model is not paying you for that 100K a month, you have to pay for social media managers, all this kind of stuff. Maybe they're on commission. You have massive overheads which you can't afford to pay now, which is one of the reasons for massive collapses of OFM agencies, because there is a time and a place where a model will most likely pack up and leave, and most likely they'll just take the money with them because they know there's nothing that you can do about it. Of course, AI eliminates every single one of these problems, which is what I was saying 3 years ago. I was saying, AI would come along, you'd no longer have to rely on anyone for your business, for your money, and you no longer have to rely on them for their work rate or anything like this. You own the AI influencer, you're not exploiting anyone in any kind of way. They can't pack up and leave, they can't withdraw without your permission, they can't do anything because they don't actually exist. And because they're so realistic now, there is kind of we're having like a no shit moment where obviously that was going to happen. And I bet a lot of the same people that were saying, this will never happen, now say, oh yeah, obviously I saw this come from a mile off. Whereas realistically they were probably in Telegram group chats. Now, will every single OnlyFans model completely stop by the end of 2026? Absolutely not. That's not what I'm saying. However, I am saying that most models, because of the collapse of certain agencies, will probably find the biggest agencies and they will kind of monopolize the whole market. So when I say that most OFM agencies will collapse, I don't mean all. I mean most of the small ones will completely fail to exist. And this is why I'm going to persuade you to get into AI OnlyFans management. AI is going to take over. Within the next 3 to 5 years, all influencers, all models, all creators on OnlyFans should be extremely scared of AI humans, because they look very fucking human right now. And you know, the amount of progress that they've made since 2022, 2023 is absolutely insane, and it's only growing where the profit is increasing. And therefore you should join me. Have a look back on the channel, check out some of the videos, or alternatively, in the description, I'm going to have a completely free AI OFM course where I teach everything. I don't hold back, you know, I don't profit off of a course anymore. I once did. However, because the information is so accessible and there's so many people teaching the wrong things, and I have certain interests within this industry, I would like to teach people correctly, and therefore also provide a community that is going to be full of people who are able to also help you out, network, and build businesses together. So check out the channel, go to the description, and see you in the next one.